So, hello and welcome back, and we're gonna continue with removing stuff from the Ford Focus MK4, the black one, the Stline. So, and now we're gonna remove the steering wheel with the airbag. Next one should be the dashboard, or maybe even yeah, everything that we need to remove to come to the dashboard. Anyways, now on the MK4 Focus, it's kind of easy to remove. I will remove, then I will show you what you have to do, but basically it's kind of easy steps. It's gonna be a little hard with one hand, so let me show. I don't know if you will see anything, but basically you have two holes that you have to fill in. And it's kind of hard with one hand. Not hard, it's kind of impossible with one hand. But since it's not our first time, we're gonna do our best to take it out like this. Yeah, so let me remove the installation, and then we can show you. Okay, let's unbolt everything. So this, the 24, it's like 24 forever. So you take it out, and that's what you need to remove the steering wheel. After you remove the steering wheel, there is this wiring. It's always, the more stuff it has, it's harder to remove. So, and this has some stuff on it. Always best to use the little screwdriver or some plastic, depends what you have, and try not to break anything, because it's Ford, it's always expensive. Every time you break something, you're gonna pay it, and believe me, you don't wanna pay. So I believe this should be enough to take it out. No. So like this, then you take it out. So the steering wheel, the airbag, and now for the steering wheel, what else do we need to take off? This wiring over here, and this one. This is for the, I believe, for the heating of the, probably for the heating. Yeah, so this one, and let's check out where is that. So here, when you open up on the top side, you have this little push button. You need to click to take off. Maybe it's easier like this, yeah. Yeah, so it's a lot easier like this. As I said many times, try not to break anything. So, and this one has pedal shift, since this car was automatic. So now let me show you. So you put this airbag inside, you click it. So when you're from the back side, there is kind of easy. You just follow this. I don't know if you're gonna see. Let me try to zoom a little bit in. So you just take here like this, and you click it back. So you click it back, should be out, same as here, and after that just take out the airbag. you take out the airbag. Pretty much easy. They changed this on the Fiesta. New Fiesta is same. New Focus, yeah. On the MK3 Focus, kinda harder. It's always harder, but yeah. So if you need to remove the steering wheel or the airbag or stuff like this will make, I hope this will help you to do that. So, and I do like pedal shifts. I mean, not big fan of automatic gears, but in Fords, but yeah. Yeah, so we'll continue with stuff removing on this Focus. Don't forget, subscribe, comment, like and follow, and I hope I can see you in the next one. So till next one.